How to make Instagram post on Canva blank page. So once you're in Canva, you can use this search bar and search for Instagram post and then hit enter. So now you will be shown with thousands of Instagram post templates that you can use in your account. So you can browse for templates that will reflect your post. So say for example, this post is for my new photo, then I'll probably use this. But if you're promoting your products, then there are templates that are fit for that reason. Say, for example, this template or this template. So now I'll go with this template and then I'll just click customize this template. Now you can edit this template and personalize, such as replacing this to your Instagram account. So we'll also delete this and then click this trash bin icon. So I will select delete image as well as this and also this. Now I'll go to uploads where my uploads are located and then just drag and drop the image that you'll be using. So I'll just add some frame in the background since there's no frame and it will be difficult if I just add a photo in the background. So for that, I'll be using a frame which is found in the elements. So I'll just fit the frame to the background and I'll position it at the back. Now it will be easier to add a photo. So I'll just go back to uploads and then I'll add the photo. So just drag and drop the photo. So you can edit this to personalize your post. And so that is how you make Instagram post on Canva blank page. Thank you and have a great day.